In this video, I'll be teaching you how to properly hem your Urhobo attire or Etibo. The first thing you are going to do after sewing it is to fold 1 inch round, just like I'm doing it on this video. You fold it and then you also iron. I have a video on how to cut and sew Etibo attire on my channel, so do well to hit the subscribe button and also check those videos out. After ironing, you fold it ½ inch twice. Remember, you iron 1 inch, so you are going to fold the 1 inch into 2. That will give you a total of ½ inch like this. So you proceed to the sewing machine and then you sew it together, following the method that I'm using on this video. Please make sure that as you are sewing, you arrange it properly with ½ inch. When you are done with one side, you stitch and then you repeat the same process for the other side. That's for the back part of the shirt.